We hit the streets of Columbia Heights in Northwest Washington today. It's an immigrant-heavy neighborhood where lots of people are obviously nervous tonight.
I think it makes most people very worried and scared and nervous about coming down to the States, especially if they're not Christian or white.
I know you want to keep certain people, the tourists, out, but you can't stop it. Everybody, you just can't stereotype people because they're Muslim or they're Christian or whatever.
It does make me anxious, not just for myself as an African American, but if he goes after the Muslims and goes after the Hispanics, the next group is going to be my culture, African Americans.
In the beginning, I was kind of, I always said that I should give him a chance, but the way how it is right now, it's just like, I get the chance, it's over now.
They're being very restrictive to people who don't look like Donald Trump.
It makes me nervous because I think it singles out Muslims, even though he's trying to backpedal now and sort of not say it wasn't against Muslims, but it actually is. And so that's kind of a slippery slope, and I don't know where that could end.
People are scared that they're going to be transferred to across the border, so they don't want to go. That's why they're here.
Okay, just to qualify and be totally fair on this, that is the Columbia Heights neighborhood in progressive Washington, D.C. So those comments, those reactions, not at all surprising there.